Greetings everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're encountering the Xbox Live error code 0x89235107 when trying to sign into Xbox Live from the login screen of any game via the Xbox app on your Windows PC, fret not. Today I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. Firstly, ensure you have Microsoft Edge installed on your computer. If not, head over to the Microsoft Edge download page for Windows 10 or 11, download the browser, run the setup file, and follow the installation prompts. Next, it's time to address any potential issues with the Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and the game itself. Open your system settings, navigate to the App section, and locate Xbox Live. Click on it, then select Advanced Options or Similar and choose the Repair option. Repeat this process for the Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and the problematic game, following the same steps of finding each in the apps list, accessing its advanced options, and selecting Repair. Once the repairs are completed, launch the game again. If you're still facing the error, it's time to consider resetting all related applications. Perform a reset for Xbox Live, Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and the game. After resetting the game, you might notice the Install option instead of Play in the Xbox app. Simply close and reopen the Xbox app to restore the Play option. With these steps, you should no longer encounter the error code and be able to enjoy your gaming experience hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content.